Alright, Underdog ManCave. This is the unboxing of my 15 kilowatt inverter from Power Jack. It just arrived. I split this already, and then I split this. Okay, it's a box within a box. It had all those straps around it. Alright, we're going to cut this. Okay. Oh my. Alright, we got this. Power Jack. Manual. Set that over here. Now, how do I get this? I have a 48 kilowatt, or no, 48 volt. 110, 120, 60 hertz. And this is their 9.0. And some little baggie with a little, I don't know what that is in there, but we're gonna keep that. I'm sure that's some sort of a plug for the inverter somewhere. Okay. Oh, I'm really excited. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Now, I'm concerned about the cracking here. And look at the corner. It's kind of busted here. Cracked over here. Busted right here. We have the similar crack here. We got a crack all the way down through here. It's hooked on over here though, still. Okay. See my batteries? My batteries. I'm not playing around. Okay, I'm gonna flip this on its side. I'm gonna have to set the phone down for a second. I'm gonna try to set it down so you can see what I'm doing. Where can I put this? Wow. Okay. Did not plan on this. You're gonna have to hold on for a second. I'm flipping this box upside down to get this inverter out. Okay, I guess I'm not flipping it upside down. I'm tearing the side out. Okay. I'm still into the second box. This thing's heavy. I don't like seeing all that styrofoam broke. The styrofoam's all broke. Wow. Alright, I'm going to lift it up from here and put it on this chair right here. I don't know how well I'm going to do this, but I'm going to hold this and up.